Dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Welcome you to English second paper class brought to you by Pirigasa Jain Gopt Model High School, and this is Mr. Mithu Anam from Assistant Teacher of English Pirigasa Jain Gopt Model High School, Pirigasa Rangpur. Today I am going to take class about transformation of sentences, which is very important for the student of any level from 6 to 12 or any other students. At first, we should know, most of you know what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words making a complete sense, and according to the meaning of sentences, sentences can be divided into 5 types, and they are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and 5 exclamatory. Assertive is simple statement. Interrogative means questions. Imperative means order, request, forbid, etc. Optative means wish or prayer. Exclamatory is sudden feelings. Are you getting me? These are the sentences according to their meaning. Here assertive is that sentence which expresses simple statement. An assertive sentence can be divided into 2 types, and they are number 1 affirmative, and number 2 negative. That means বাংলায় বলতে গেলে হ্যাঁ বোধক আর না বোধক। অনেকটা এরকম যে সে চুরিও করবে আবার সে স্বীকারও করবে যে হ্যাঁ আমি চুরি করেছি, আবার সে চুরি করবে বলবে যে না আমি চুরি করিনি। অনেকটা এরকম সহজ বাংলা ভাষায় বলতে গেলে। তো আমাদের এই ট্রান্সফর্মের যে প্রথম অংশটা সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যাফারমেটিভ থেকে নেগেটিভ। তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে আমি বাংলায় বললাম। If we want to make affirmative sentence into negative, then we have to follow some rules and regulation. And here on the exam hall, you may find the question like this: read the following text. Read the following text and change the sentences. The sentence as directed, and number is 1 into 5, so 5, and this is the item, and for this you will get 5 marks. And if you want to change affirmative sentence into negative, then you must keep on mind that you should not change the meaning or sense of the sentences, but you can change the formation or structure of the sentence. You have to keep this on your mind. Are you getting me? Have you understood? If you don't understand, then you can ask me through comment, and I will try my best to answer your questions. Okay. Then affirmative. negative. Here, through this symbol, I would like to say that we change the sentence but not the meaning. এক কথায় যে আমরা বাক্যটাকে চেঞ্জ করব কিন্তু বাক্যটার অর্থ আমরা চেঞ্জ করব না। আমি যদি বলি যে তিনি বাড়িতে নেই, এই কথাটাকে আমরা অন্যভাবে বলতে পারি যে তিনি বাড়ির বাহিরে আছেন। যেহেতু আমরা বাঙালি সেহেতু বাংলাতেই বললাম তোমাদের বোঝার সুবিধার্থে। এরপরও যদি তোমাদের কোনো সমস্যা থেকে থাকে তো তোমরা সেটা আমাকে কমেন্টের মাধ্যমে জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারবে। তো আমাদের একটা জিনিস we have to keep on our mind that we must not change the meaning or but we can change the structure of the sentences. And you know that it is a very long term and in a single class I cannot overcome it. That is why today I part this session and today's session is part 1. And at first I want to write a sentence. Only Allah can save us from COVID-19. Here I have written a single sentence, only Allah can save us from COVID-19. In Bengali meaning যে একমাত্র আল্লাহই আমাদেরকে COVID-19 থেকে রক্ষা করতে পারেন। During this situation, if I want to make this sentence negative, then I can change the structure of the sentence but not the meaning of the sentence. You have to keep this on your mind firmly. And the learning outcome of this session is, if you follow this, you can write or answer the question in your own way, and you will be peculiar from the other students, and that will bring or make sense in your writing section and speaking section. Only Allah can save us from COVID-19. You can also try this sentence on your own self. Here only is the main word. This can also be an adjective or adverb. Only Allah can save us from COVID-19. If in an affirmative sentence there is only or alone, and that only and alone very word denotes Almighty or the Creator or any person, then we have to use noun word. Instead of only or alone, we can use noun word. Noun word and rest of the part of the sentence. Noun word, the rest of the part of the sentence is this. Allah can save us from COVID-19. Have you understood, students? In the same way, if I write Rohim alone can do the work. And you know, before, sometimes ago, I have told that if only or alone denotes any person or Almighty Creator, that may be God, Allah, then we can use noun word instead of the person or the Creator. Here, Rohim is a person. So here we also can use noun word. Noun, but the rest of the sentence, Rohim can do the work. Have you understood? and following this rule, you will try yourself several example. And if I write down another word, he likes only honey. He likes only honey. In rule 1, only means person or creator, but here only means substance. Here honey is the very word which only denotes. This is not a person or creator. So what we would do if only denotes substance? Then বাংলাটা হচ্ছে যে সে শুধু মধু পছন্দ করে। তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে আমি বাংলায় বলছি যে সে শুধু মধু পছন্দ করে। তার মানে বাক্যটা হবে যে এমন, সে অন্য কিছু নয়, শুধু মধু পছন্দ করে। সে মধু ছাড়া আর কিছুই পছন্দ করে না, বিষয়টা এমন। তাহলে sometimes ago in rule number 1 we use none but instead of only. Here we use nothing but instead of only, just like this. He likes nothing but honey. He likes nothing but honey. It's very simple. Here the structure of the sentence remains same, but in place of only we use nothing. Nothing but. Is it clear to you? In the same way, we can write only the stars were visible. একমাত্র তারাগুলোই ছিল দৃশ্যমান। তাহলে অন্য কিছুই নয়, শুধু তারাগুলোই ছিল দৃশ্যমান। You can try yourself, and if you can't do this, you can inform me through comment. তাহলে nothing but, here only at the first of the sentence, so we can use nothing but the very beginning of the sentence. A note is nothing but the stars were visible. It's so simple. I think this is so simple. And next one is, if only indicates is. In rule 1 and rule 2, only indicates person, creator and substance, but if it indicates is, as for example, Jerry is only 4 when he came to the orphanage. So here only indicates the 4 years. If I write Jerry is only 12. Here only denotes is 12. Neither the person, creator nor the substance, but here only denotes or indicates is. If the sentence like this, then what we would do? Then instead of only, we can use not more than, or not less than. Any of them will do, as you like. Any of them will do. So if we want to make this sentence negative, then we can write Jerry is not more than 12, or Jerry is not less than 12. Both are correct. Are you getting me, students? And I again say, if you face any problem, please ask me through your comment. And I have told early that it is a very long term and it is not possible to overcome this session in one lecture. And if there is must in a affirmative sentence, then what should we do? I think that most of you know this, but due to others, due to all of you, I have to discuss that. As for example, affirmative, we must help the orphan. We must help the orphan. We must take care of our parents. So here, must is the main word. আমরা আমাদের ইতিমদেরকে অবশ্যই সাহায্য করতে হবে, আমাদের অবশ্যই আমাদের বাবা মায়েরকে সাহায্য করতে হবে। If you want to make this sentence negative, then we can follow two ways. The first one is we can use cannot but instead of must. We cannot but help the orphan. And second one, we can make it negative into another way. We cannot but taking care of our parents. What is the difference between two sentences? Students, you can tell me. If you can, then tell me through comment. And if I explain, here we simply use cannot but instead of must. And here we also sorry, here we simply can use cannot help, and if we use cannot help, then we have to add ing after the verb, and like this, and I have done the same. We cannot help taking care of our parents. Do you have any doubt? I think that it's clear to you. 5 minutes. কয় মিনিট হলো? So, okay, dear students, I think this is too much for today's session, and we will meet soon. And if you face any problem, then you will inform me through comment. And thank you for staying with me. And I hope we will meet again soon. Allah Hafiz.